What's up, guys? So we are going to learn how to trade coins within Metamask wallet. In this example, we are going to swap Ethereum for some Uni tokens. So go to the Uniswap website. Uniswap is an exchange where you can connect your Metamask wallet and trade tokens within it. We are going to launch the app. Next, connect your Metamask wallet and improve the communication between Uniswap and Metamask. Select ETH because it is what I want to trade out of. Next, select a token you want to have. If you can't find what you're looking for, Uniswap Exchange does not offer it, unfortunately. I'm going to select Uni for this example. Specify the amount of ETH I want to trade for Uni. The app will automatically calculate the exchange rate and fees. Click Swap. Verify the amount being traded. Confirm the swap. Your Metamask UI will appear. Verify the transaction fees. The fees will vary based on the network congestion. Make sure to have extra Ethereum in your wallet because that is what is used to pay for the transaction fees, also known as gas. Confirm the transaction. Your transaction is submitted and being processed on the Ethereum network. You can view the transaction on the Explorer by clicking this link. Make sure to also add the new token info to Metamask. This will register the newly added token to your Metamask assets. Once the transaction has been processed, you will see your new balance under assets. You can pair any two ERC tokens offered on Uniswap. It doesn't just have to be Ethereum paired with another token.